How to log into LinkedIn account. If you want to log into your LinkedIn account, it's a very simple thing. All you need to do is follow the simple steps. First thing first, you want to open your respective app store. Since you have to install LinkedIn on your device, you want to install it. And once you've done installing, click on the open button. Now then, you will be taken to this field where you could either go ahead and continue with Google or continue with email. Select whichever method you've used while creating your account. If you want to go with email, you have to simply go ahead and type in your email address associated or the phone number and then the password associated with your LinkedIn account. Click on the continue button, and this way you'll have successfully logged into your account. In my case, I happen to log in with my Google, so I'm going to continue with the Google account itself. And here you go, you've successfully logged in. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.